काय बरें ऑफिस बरें व्हडलें आरे एक्चुली आतां रमेश कित्याक घुसपता मदीं कोण जाणा ओके ओके
Last, regarding this issue what is taken place in Naquerim, I think it's almost a month now, 25 days. The blast took place. We have given the panchayat has given a complaint filed as per the Konkani police station. We have given a memorandum to the deputy collector as well as you also. And as of now, we feel, means in the sense the whole panchayat feels that nothing has been done. Suspension, we came to know that there was a suspension of that order, but not cancelled yet. And the substance which is there, two things, substance which was there, which already was burned, that's it still remaining there. Two major things, what we want to ask you is that, what is the status of this case? And just to tell you, that particular night when you were also there, I was also there, SP was there, I think so, everyone, Panchayat Sarpanch was there. We were made to go right up to the place, Naquerim-Betul burned, that thing got exploded. And we asked the people who were there, concerned authorities of the company, they said nothing was there. Now we came to know there is almost 14 ton more explosion, whatever is there, remain ammunition is there. So this is one aspect. In fact, they have caused danger to our life. In fact, they could have told us. You would have gone inside. Second thing is that they don't have valid licenses. Whatever permission was given by you, they have to comply with some 22, 23 points which they have not complied. One thing what we can say is the local bodies permission had to be taken, which they have not taken.
With the police station, two proper channels. They have started a second magazine. The first and foremost, now the primary target was because there already pollution taken place. Now every day we get red alert, yellow alert, yellow alert. If a slight shower there, all the residue will go down the stream, which is going down to the rivulets are going connecting to the river Naquerim Sea. On top there is a spring, what Sir said. The spring has medicinal value and it flows 24/7 into 12 without any stopping. If any of this residue goes to the water table there, then all the lives, even the surrounding lives will be at risk. Because what you all did is, you all applied section 144 and you all said this area is prohibited. But no one, till date, no one has thought about the other aspect of life. What you all have taken measures to mitigate further explosion. But till date, no one has taken, no the district administration or government, nor the company. We had told the company very next day to come with whatever licenses you have. Till date, the company hasn't complied to the panchayat. It looks like the panchayat is taken for granted.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.